Hello, Jared here with Shading Texas. We actually installed this beautiful backyard here. He's got a west-facing patio, which unfortunately a lot of us have. So we installed about a 22-foot wide screen here. You can see it coming down. Really what happens is it just comes in and bakes into this patio. I mean, and when I say bake, we're talking, I think today's about 115 degrees, so you know what I mean. But just having the screen come down just to the top of this counter, which you see what's going on here. So you see we got it going down right to the top of this counter here, and it's open down here. That's plenty. Because when I go around here, the worst case, the shade, the sun might come in and come in at a little angle down here and maybe tickle your ankles a little bit. But that's enough shade. So this entire area is a lot cooler. And you can see we get still really good views. I'm gonna kind of walk this way and kind of back up a little bit. But check this out. So this is the 97% screen, just taking all that away and just giving them just more of a patio space to be able to hang out even in the hot Texas summer. So anyway, this is Jared with Shading Texas. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.